Hey friends, Marcy Schonborn here with Sedalia Designs, and I wanted to show you quickly how to do probably the easiest DIY project that we're going to offer. We are introducing new ones 2 to 3 days a week, and I think you're going to be increasingly surprised and excited with the different styles we're going to put out. This one is pretty simple. It would be a great little project for kids to make a gift for their mom or their grandma or their aunt. And the tools you're going to need a flat nose plier and a needle nose plier. You can get a package of 3 tools at Walmart for I believe like $7. So these little earring kits come with all the components needed to make 2 pair of earrings. So this is your ear hoop. You see on the back side, one side is soldered, one side is not. You just simply pull it open, and you don't want to pull it too far and stretch it. Once you open it, I like to twist it this way to put the beads on. And then you simply string, sorry about my hand there, simply string the beads on. Use the beads that come with it, add your own beads. Oh, there we go. And that is that. And then you're going to push it back in there. And this one doesn't want to stay because I think when we originally opened it, we overstretched it. So if that happens, push it back like that. Then put it in there, and it's going to stay. Okay. So then we've got our ear wire, and this guy's already open, so I'm going to shut him and start over for you. So your ear wire is going to come to you like this. These are surgical steel ear wires. So even people that can only wear silver and gold are finding they can wear our earrings with the surgical steel. So this is where you use your needle nose. You open it like that. You really don't have to open it very far because you're going to slip, and make sure you slip it on the right way. Slip that guy on like that. Then you take your flat nose and you squeeze it down, line it up with the metal, and you have got a finished earring. And like I said, each kit comes with 2 pair. So what a great way to let your kiddos, or maybe even you, make a gift for somebody, make a couple gifts. And we've got lots of different DIY projects, and we will be continually adding more. If you are interested in starting a business with us, reach out to us and let us know, because we've got free sign up, and these would be items that you can make money on. Thanks.